Alright, here's a direct replacement ESC with the Dean's plug on it already. Yeah, there you go. 1040. I'm not sure if I burnt my last one up or not, but something happened. It's not working, so I just went ahead and got this just in case. So there you have it, just the stock regular Everest Redcat ESC, except with the Dean's plug. We'll go ahead and get it on there with some double-sided tape, which apparently comes with it, and get everything else hooked up.